Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz G63. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on this car at all, and all four wheels have no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. The driver's side is in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side. The passenger side is perfect. Now let's take a look at the rest of the interior. We're gonna start off. Let's start off with the center console. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Not seeing any wear and tear on here at all. The buttons look good and the leather stitching is fine. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.